a small part of this chapter is remain, which is Cartesian product between two set. Cartesian product. Now, to know the Cartesian product, first we have to know the ordered pair of two elements. What is ordered pair? An ordered pair is for any two element x and y, if it write in the form x and y in first bracket, then this is called the ordered pair. X is the first element and y is the second element. Okay, so this is known as the ordered pair of two element. So as an example, we can write 0 1 is an ordered pair, 5 6 is an ordered pair, a b is an ordered pair, c 0 minus 5 is an ordered pair. Okay, now necessarily two ordered pair x and y x is not equal. Okay, they will be equal if y equals to x. If y equals to x, then they will be equal. Okay, in general, two ordered pair we can write as a and b and c d. Two ordered pair is equal if and only if the first elements of this ordered pair should be equal, that is a equals to c, and second elements of this ordered pair, which is b and d, should be equal. If a equals to c and b equals to d, then a b and c d, this ordered pair will be equal. Okay, now after learning this ordered pair, we have to define the Cartesian product of two sets. Now if you let two sets a and b, okay, any two sets, then Cartesian product of this two set is defined as the ordered pair a and b, all the possible ordered pair a and b, where a belongs to a and b belongs to b. So first elements will be comes from the set a and second element will be comes from the set b. Then all the possible ordered pair, and then the set of all this ordered pair will be the Cartesian product of a and b, which is defined as a cross b. A cross b as the set from the ordered pair a of b, all the ordered pairs, such that a comes from a and b comes from the set b. Well, so by this definition, so b cross a will be, if we write b cross a as in the form x and y ordered pair, then x will comes from the first set b and y will comes from the second set a. Okay. So as an example, if you take two sets a, which is given 1 2 3, and b set, which is given as a and b, then the Cartesian product of a and b, if you write a cross b, then first set is a, second set is b. So all the ordered pair formed by this element 1 2 3 and this element a and b. So first order pair will be first element of a, which is 1, and second any element from b, which is a. Similarly 1 b also an element, 2 a, 2 b, all the possible ordered pair which can be from this element and this element, and second lastly 3 a and 3 b. This is all the possible ordered pair which can be formed from the set a and b. Okay, so a cross b is this. Also if we write b cross a, so b cross a means in the ordered pair the first element will be comes from b and second element will be comes from a. So all the ordered pair will be a 1 element from a and element from b and element from a. Also a 2, also a 3 the ordered pair, also b 1, b 2, b comma 3. Okay, understood? So in this process we can define a theory as, or taken as a note, which is a result also. If number of A, that means number of element in A is, let m, and number of element in B, let be n. Okay, then number of A cross B will be number of A into number of B, which is m into n, which is mn. So the element in the first set A multiplied to the element in the number of element in the second set B. These will be the total element in the set A cross B. Okay. So the question can be arise as, let A is given 1 2 3, B is given 2 3 4, C is given 3 4 5. Then find, we can write it, find A cross B minus C. What will be A cross B minus C? So first we have to find A B minus C. This will be a set also. So find first B minus C. What will be B minus C? The element which in B but does not belongs to C. Okay, so which are the elements? This is the element, only 2, right? 3 and 4 belongs to C. So in B minus C, 3 and 4 cannot come. So only one element, 2. Thus A cross B minus C will be, this will be the order pair of the set A and B minus C. If we write as X and Y, then X will be comes from A and Y will be comes from B minus C. So the element of A is 1 2 and 3. The element of B minus C is 2. So the order pair of this element 1 2 3 and 2. Okay, first if we take the element 1, and there is only one option in the B minus C, 2. So 1 2 is also an element, 2 comma 2 is an also element, and 3 comma 2 is an also element. This will be the set A cross B minus C. Also, if we want to find the A minus C cross B minus C, then first we have to calculate A minus C. A minus C will be the element in the A and element in the which does not belongs to element in the C, which 1 and 2. Also B minus C, this also we will find as on the element 2, only one element 2. So A minus C cross B minus C will be the cross product of A minus C 1 2 and B minus C 2. This will be 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2, right? I have given some example in the materials and also given a homework. Okay, this will be the last class of the of this chapter set. In the next class I will start the next chapter, logarithm. Okay.